Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to another video. In today's 2-Minute Tuesday, we're talking about how to find your niche as a life coach. Ready? Let's go. But before we get started, let's start that clock, and here we go. If you're a baby coach that has started building your coaching practice, you might feel overwhelmed with what to do next. Nowadays, you can find a coach for anything, and as some of us in the industry hate admitting it, coaches are coaching coaches. But the truth is, nothing's wrong with that. Coaches are human beings too that need help just like you and I. So how do you pick one that will make you money and leave you feeling fulfilled after every session? I offer you this generalization that will hopefully set you on the right path. There are 3 main categories of coaches you can pick from. The 3 categories are as such. There's health, then there's wealth, and finally there's relationships. Under the health category, you'll find spiritual coaches, holistic health coaches, and you may also find recovery coaches. Under wealth, you'll find sales coaching, then you have executive coaches, and then maybe even marketing coaches. And finally, under relationships, you're gonna find family coaches, parenting, or even couples coaching. Now, this is not a comprehensive list by any means. There are tons of coaching categories out there. It doesn't matter which one you pick, as long as there are problems to solve and there are people willing to pay you for your expertise. The bigger the problem, the more value the client perceives the coaching, and the more money you'll make in turn. Finally, let me ask you this. Who would you recommend to a friend? A doctor that fixes your pain, or one that keeps you coming back for regular checkups every 2 years? The first one, I hope. So why is it that some coaches focus on the latter? Sounds kind of crazy, right, when you hear it out loud? There are probably infinite possibilities. However, one that comes to mind is financial stress. Many coaches want their clients to sign up again after a 6-month package so they don't have to go through the whole acquisition dance all over again. Too many coaches focus on helping themselves rather than focusing on helping their clients solve their problem. And you wonder why people are questioning if life coaching or coaching in general works at all. To me, the most powerful and effective coach are the ones that help their clients solve their problems after a program so they can get on their feet and feel empowered or confident enough to do the thing on their own. These are the clients that will see their friends and will be noticed for their huge change in their lives. And next thing you know, they have their friends being referred to you so you can help them do the same. Finding your niche isn't a cookie cutter process by any means whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be tough, it's gonna get messy, and you will make mistakes. But rest assured, all of it is part of the process of becoming the ultimate coach I know you'll become once you put in the reps. So the answer to should I stick to one niche is yes, for now. As you build your clientele, you'll start to see that you'll be branching off into new territory naturally. Take me for example. My first client was a realtor, and I thought I'd be helping real estate agents with their confidence so they can sell more houses for the rest of my life. But this quickly evolved into working with managers facing overwhelm and anxiety, a CEO of a large mattress company that needed help with imposter syndrome, and how can I even forget the men and women who needed help finding life partners. How did I do it? I focused on servicing the clients rather than making sure I had enough in my bank account to sustain my own living. So as you can see, there's no clear path. This is more of a learn, attract by doing kind of situation. Do good work and master your craft to get to the point where you're so good that nobody can ignore you. If this was helpful, I want to invite you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're into reading and enjoy receiving personal emails that warm your hearts, you can sign up for my newsletter called Best Life, where you'll get actionable psych tips, practical life advice, and high quality resources to help boost your self-growth, productivity, and income. I'll put the link in the description box below. Subscribers beware, if you read these newsletters, you might find yourself happier and wealthier. Just saying. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.